battery hacks, flashlight hacks, remote hacks. Have you tried these hacks and your life still sucks? Wake up! Hacking a few things won't make your life better. You have to hack everything! With Gang Film's new Hack a Life kit, you can hack your way to a better existence. Hack a tennis ball into a self-defense weapon. Hack a toilet into a high-powered jet. Holy crap! Hack a cow into a beautiful woman!
I smell like hamburgers!
Hack a Life comes with all the tools you need to hack everything. Wrenches, screwdrivers, lasers, zebras!
And Gary Coleman!
What you talking about? Hack! Hack a space shuttle for billions of AA batteries! Hack a lawnmower for the perfect haircut! Hack a light bulb to be brighter than the sun! Who needs the sun when you have Hack a Life? What are you waiting for? Order now and start living a better life with
Hack a Life!